Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In today's video, we're looking at the relationship between logarithm and indices. Okay. Now, suppose you have a problem in logarithm that says log b to base a is equal to m. Okay. So let's assume we have a problem like this in logarithm form. Log b to base a is equals to m. We can translate this to indices form by saying a raised to power m is equals to b. A raised to power m is equals to b. So this is logarithm form, and this is indices form. So translating from logarithm form to indices form will help us solve a lot of problems in mathematics, most especially as it relates to logarithms. Okay, so let's see an example. Let's say solve for x. Let's assume we are given log s to base 2 is equal to 3. And now you are asked to look for the value of x. This is very easy. So all you need to do using this relationship, you can get the value of x. So we can say 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 is equals to x. Just using this relationship. Here is our log, here is our base a, here is our b, and here is our m. So translating this, a raised to power m equals 2 raised to power 3 equals to x. Fine. And then you have that 2 raised to power 3 is 8 is equals to x. Therefore, you can say x is equals to 8. Pretty easy, right? Okay, let's also assume we have another problem like this. Number 2, we're still solving for x. So we have log, let's say this time, x is equal to, let's say 3, and let's call it 27. Okay, so this is log 27 to base x is equals to 3. So using this relationship between logarithms and indices, we can translate this to become x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 27. Taking? So it's the same way. X, remember this is just the base of the log. So x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 27. Just using this relationship, you can translate this to this. So at the end we have x raised to the power 3. Here is 3 raised to the power 3. Now since the powers are the same, it must be that s is equals to 3. Pretty easy, right? So let's see one more example. Let's say this is log two, or let's say 5 raised to the power 125 is equals to x minus 1. Okay, so still using the relationship, we can say this is 5, the base 5 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 125. Okay, so here becomes 5 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equals to this gives me 5 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so it must be, it implies, if the bases are the same on both sides, then it implies that the powers s minus 1 must be equal. Is that okay? And so from here we have that x is equals to 3 minus 1 comes here becomes plus 1, and then x is equals to 4. Pretty easy, right? So these are simple ways of changing logarithm problems to indices, and then you can easily simplify. In our next video, we'll be examining the laws of logarithm. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment. Also as well follow this page. Thanks for watching. Bye.